Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video, I will show you how to create a floating mini browser directly inside Google Chrome using a simple extension. So let's begin. So firstly go to your browser, then visit Chrome Web Store and install an extension like I will searching for floating browser. Enter. Here you will see floating mini browser. I already added it. For you, I will remove it and add to Chrome again. Then click on add extension. You will see it will be added successfully. Now suppose we are doing our work in Google Docs without going to another tab. Firstly we mark it as pin. Now we will search for anything. Here you will see you can write anything like I want to search for like I want write a blog. Anything you want you can. Here you will see you can use this mini browser anywhere if you are doing task or anything else. You will see all the mini browsers are open there. From directly you can go to maximize screen, and that's how you can create a floating mini browser while working using a Chrome extension. If this video helped you, make sure to like, share and subscribe for more useful Chrome extension and Windows trip tips. Thanks for watching.